Hello, this is Dr. Sinan Akyürek. I'm practicing hair transplantation in Nişantaşı, Istanbul. Today, I'm going to speak about stem cell empowerment of hair transplantation. When we are transplanting hair, even if you use FUT, even if you use FUE or the CHOI methods, which we so-called HDI methods, we collect as much as hair follicles as we can and put it in the front line and the vertex of the people, which we want to make the bald area as much as covered. But we use 30% of the hair because your poorly vasculated skin cannot hold the hair follicle which we transplant there. By powering that, we use stem cells to create a scaffold which can hold the follicle which we transplant in the area, so that we won't use the 30% of the 3,000 follicles or 5,000 follicles which we have collected, which are so precious from your donor area, because when you lose that, you don't have more. So that by having your hair transplantation empowered with the stem cells, you can have powerful hair and more natural looks in the future area. So have a nice day. Don't forget to hit the bell, follow us, and like.